Hi guys, it's Doll on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Today, I'm gonna be bleaching my hair, touching up the roots, maybe lightening it a little more. We'll see. You can take my advice if you choose to, because I bleached my hair before, but I am not a hairstylist or a licensed professional. However, I'm using Quick Blue L'Oreal Bleach 40 level developer, my mixing bowl, purple shampoo and conditioner, foil, which I did not end up using, and some bags for my hair. I washed my hair last night and now we're gonna be working on it. It's really good to not do it right after a wash because then your scalp is much more sensitive. First, I had ran out of storage, but I fixed it. Like I said, this isn't a tutorial, but low-key is. Get this dye, this bleach I mean, make sure it's evenly in there. By the way, the mixture was 1 scoop of L'Oreal Quick Blue mixed with 2.5 ounces of 40 developer. I'm gonna be linking the hair products I use down below as well as my eye contacts. If you have any video requests, just comment them or reach out to me. I got you. Hi guys, so my storage ran out again, but I finished applying. I put on 2 caps. It's been about 9 minutes. So let's see. You guys should wear gloves, by the way. Okay, we're gonna let her cook a little longer. Give her 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna do 10 minutes and just check periodically. Okay. Wow! Oh my god! Look! The levels are leveling. This was right after I rinsed it out, and this is the result. I'm so sorry I didn't film an outro. I was super tired. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!